In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed YouTube video in Constant Contact. To get started, make sure you are in the Constant Contact email editor for the message you are building. The goal here is to add a video preview into your email in a clean, professional way. In most email clients, the video will appear as a thumbnail image that people can click, and that click will take them to the video page. This is a reliable approach, since many email programs do not play videos directly inside the email itself. Begin by looking at the left panel where the content blocks are listed. Find the video block. Click it, then drag it from the left panel and drop it into your email layout where you want the video to appear. Take a moment to place it in a spot that makes sense for your readers, usually near related text, a short introduction, or a call to action. Next, click directly on the video block you just added. This selects the block so you can change its settings. Once it is selected, choose Edit. This opens the video options, where you will connect your email to the video you want people to watch. Now go to your video platform and copy the web address for your video. Constant Contact supports links from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, so you can use a URL from any of those services. Paste that full video URL into the field in the editor. When you paste the link, double-check that it is the correct video and that it is publicly accessible, because viewers need to be able to open it from the email. After the link is in place, click Insert. Constant Contact will generate the video preview automatically, typically pulling in a thumbnail image and adding a clickable play button overlay. Give it a quick look in your email to confirm the preview appears as expected and fits nicely with your design. Once it looks good, you are set. Your recipients will be able to click the video preview and watch the content on the hosting site. That covers everything you need to know.